The first one is 3x plus 2 is less than equal to 23. The goal is still the same. Isolate this variable because I need to find the range of values of x which satisfy this inequality. So isolate this variable. And to isolate this variable, we can add, subtract, multiply or divide on both sides just like we do with the equations. Now, in this first one, I will eliminate this plus 2 first. The opposite operation of plus 2 is minus 2. So let's do minus 2 on both the sides. So I would be getting plus 2 minus 2 is 0. So cancel out each other. So 3x less than equal to 23 take away 2 is 21. Now, in order to eliminate this 3, which is being multiplied by x, I'll do the opposite operation of division on both the sides. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1x is just x. So, x is less than equal to 21 divided by 3 is 7. That means all the values of x which are less than equal to 7 satisfy this given inequality. Pretty much the same the way we do the equations. Now, let's do this one. Minus 7x plus 15 greater than minus 20. I will first eliminate this plus 15 by doing minus 15 on both the sides. So I would be getting this plus 15 minus 15 is 0. So minus 7x is greater than negative 20 added to negative 15 is negative 35. Now, I will be dividing this with minus 7, and of course whatever I do on one side I will do on the another side. But the very important rule in inequalities is that if we multiply or we divide by a negative number, the inequality sign flips. So the moment I divided by negative 7, this x becomes less than minus 35 divided by minus 7 is 5. So all the values which are less than 5 satisfy this given inequality. So this rule that when we divide or multiply by a negative number, the inequality sign flips, means greater than become less than or less than becomes greater than. This is a very important rule when we solve the inequalities. All right. Let's start this one. In this one, I would be using the distributive property. 6 multiplied by minus m will be minus 6m plus 6 times 3 is 18 less than equal to 5 times minus 2m is minus 10m plus 5 times 4 is 20. Now, if you will look at this inequality, it has variables on both the sides of inequality. So I would be getting minus 6m. This minus 10m when shifted to that side would become plus 10m less than equal to this 20 as it is, and plus 18 when shifted that side would become minus 18. Now minus 6m added to 10m would become 4m less than equal to 20 minus 18 is 2. Divide by 4 on both the sides to eliminate this 4. I would be getting m less than equal to 1 half. So all the values less than equal to 1 half will satisfy this given inequality. In this one, I can see that it's y over 3 minus 11 greater than equal to minus m. The rule is same, like eliminate this plus 11 first of all. So this is 0. So y over 3 is greater than equal to minus 7 added to 11 is 4. And now this 3 is being divided. So when it shift to that side, it will go with the sign of multiplication. So I get 3 times 4. So y greater than equal to 12. So all the values of y which are greater than or equal to 12 is the set of solution for this given inequality.